Hi everyone. Okay, I'm going to do a house tour. So this is my front entryway right here. So when you walk into my house, this is what you're going to see. I'll get closer. That way you can see exactly what I did. So I made that from the dollar store. My friend made this for me years ago. So it's Deadpool and Maleficent Christmas wreath. And then we got cutesy ornaments. Pan out presents under the tree. So this is our front door. And there's Dory. There's Santa. He's about 20 years old now, I think. Or 16. 16, I think, years old. This is the other side. If you watch my PL videos, then you know that my husband built me my tables for out here. And known for the holidays. So everything I got was from 99-cent store, Dollar Tree, Hobby Lobby. So let's go inside. There's Dory. I'm taping with my phone, so I don't have a pause switch. So we'll just get the whole effect. So when you come into my house, this is what you see. The library is right when you come in. But that's what you see in the corner. Then you have the entryway inside. So it's an archway when you come in. And if you see my other videos, then you know I have a library my husband built. My husband's a carpenter. So here's the library. And then we added garland up on top. And I made the presents. I'll go down the length. Sorry, scanner's on. Let's see. It doesn't matter, you can hear what's going on in our town. And that one. So, and then I got the big cardinal to represent our babies that have died, our fur babies that have died. So they're here with us for Christmas. Then I got a moose. And then I got a 'Tis the Season. So this is what you see when you are sitting in the library. So the library to the left, and then the coffee bar. So, of course, they start talking now. There's Dory. But someone will dislike this video, so it's okay. They'll find some excuse. So, this is our coffee bar my husband built. And I tied in the plaid, the red and black. This ties it all in. I did not decorate the filming area for my PL because by the time I went to go shopping, everything was sold out. So I got this at Hobby Lobby and I fixed it, and I added a little fox button because it was kind of broken. But this is a woodland theme if you didn't catch that early on. So it's woodland. We used to call Bus Moose. He was my moose. So here our moose is looking out for us. And here's the chairs. Oh, and I got those from Amazon, the pillows. So I'll do a pan out of the library. I've already done a library video, but that's what it looks like with the lights on. And then here's, when you look into the coffee bar, this is, I made this. So I bought this and then I added the Dollar Tree Joy to it. And then I bought this at IKEA like a long time ago and I added this to it. And then here's my kitchen. Let me step back. Oh, the lights aren't on. Let me turn the lights on real quick. Hold on. I thought they were on. There they go. Okay. So this is my kitchen. And I'll go real quick. Here's, my friend made this and I bought it. It goes over the stove. Here's up on top. Then I made that from the Dollar Tree. Baking sheet, gingerbread ornaments. Home Alone. This is all up on top. Trying to go slow so you guys don't get dizzy. Pan back down. And my countertop. Then here's my garden window. And then let me go slow, 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 slow. Laundry room. I didn't decorate my laundry room. Here is our nook. My husband built that. We don't have a table yet, and then I forgot to buy a tablecloth. So that kind of stuck. And this is all storage units in here. You open it and storage units. And then here comes 2 minutes. This is my living room. This is the third bathroom right here. It's a guest bathroom. I didn't really have anything to decorate, so I just did little things. But in here is the living room. So let me turn on the light for here too, that way you guys can see. Okay, there we go. Let me go back up again because I'll show you. My husband built the ramp because this is a, oh gosh, word can't even come to me right now, where you step down, sunken in living room, and the babies have a hard time with the steps, so there's a ramp. It's a permanent ramp for them. Our lives revolve around them, so they have a ramp to our bed, 2 ramps to our bed on each side, and then this ramp. So let me go here. I made the presents. See if you can see a little bit. I made those. This is my first time ever decorating. I'm not a decorator. And it was kind of weird for me. But I had so much fun, you guys. I had so much fun. Just YouTube videos inspired me to do this. My father-in-law used to be Santa, and he's no longer Santa. He has stage 4 cancer, and he just doesn't do it. So I got his chair, which will be lots of photo ops. So that's the babies. And then I put these together. These are just this and this. I put those together. That was just all stuff from Hobby Lobby. And I put it, they're all picks, and I put them in a bin. I was so proud of myself. Oh, this is my father-in-law in that chair. So that was him. You can see all the lights, sorry. But he's up here every Christmas. He's alive, so make it sound like he's dead. He's not dead. But they're having to move, and this is the babies. You remember Rox and Mama? How I'm trying to get rid of the Rox and Mama. They're both gone, but they're watching over us. And of course, there's Tim, me, Cheyenne, Cordell, Cat, and Dory. So, and we have a popcorn machine that we've gotten so much use out of. So this is the living room. So I think you guys saw it all. Our backyard needs to be cleaned up, but that's not my deal. And you know, in there is my craft room. We've already seen that. Hi guys. We've already seen that. So this is our TV, but I didn't decorate it. But this is what it looks like. So, sunken in, go up. Yeah, really, really love how it came out. So what do you guys think? I'll go one more time. And then you see here, library, front door, and bedrooms. I didn't decorate the bedrooms. And then the front door. So, all right, guys, hope you like it. Bye.